Look at this cracking lodge, Boston Lodge, made by Willoughby down on the new Primrose Way, right? And I want to show you out the window, okay? And you look out over a fishing lake. It's up for sale for £189,000, okay? Comes with the decking. The decking hasn't gone on yet. I'm just giving you a sneak preview, okay? Because we haven't actually kitted out. It'll come with a TV, 60-inch TV. It'll come all kitted out, lovely. Microwave, everything. Built-in fridge, freezer, everything brand spanking new. Residential unit, Simon.
Stunning this is.
Gorgeous, isn't it?
I've got the
You've done a video on this on your TikTok, didn't you?
I did. Yeah.
What's your TikTok? They need to join you.
Holiday Memories. Holiday.memories 7.
I'll put you on the big site, okay? Where I've got 310,000 followers, and they might follow you and they can look at your, because you've done a professional video on this.
Look at the size of this kitchen.
I'm just being nosy, really.
Nigel, I have been to smaller pubs with smaller bars than this.
And me.
Look at this.
It's gorgeous. That's granite as well.
Beautiful.
But the bit with this, mate, is location.
Yeah.
If you don't like this lodge, by the way, you can buy us 2 more pictures left. That's it then. You can have it stunning looking over the lake. What do you think, Sam?
This certainly, as a fisherman, is where I choose to be, without a doubt.
I hate fishing. Oh, you've just missed the ducks. Did I show them the ducks?
I think you did, mate.
Are they gone?
They can't go. They're right here. Look. Come
Oh.
look out the window.
Look at these ducks outside the window. So if you're hungry, you can have duck for tea. Let's have a look.
Hello, boys.
Where are they? Oh, there they are. Hello. Wow.
Mallards.
Mallards. And they're beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah, they are beautiful. Interestingly, Nigel, here's a fun fact.
Sound like they smoke along.
Here's a fun fact to you. Mallards, pretty, green necks. The ladies, a little bit dull looking.
Are they? So were these male or female?
Male.
Why has he got such a big neck? That's for sale, by the way, that one there, mate.
That's stunning as well.
That's the Hayward, isn't it?
Yeah. That's got a massive rotating lazy boy armchair in there.
Oh, I've seen that. I love it.
Very comfortable.
And you've got this one. That looks over the lake. Over there, look. Stunning.
Do you reckon these boys just go caravan to caravan getting fed?
Yeah, I think so.
I think they do as well.
This bloke's picking all the litter up. Look, it's nice, isn't it?
That is
In the
nice.
park. You didn't even work here.
Good lad.
That's incredible.
What you'll find, Nigel, especially with the fishing community, is that they all are very keen on taking care of the environment. So they'll always pick up litter.
They love it, don't they? Right, I need to get Shirley's husband to clean the outside for me. Yeah? So that's the next job. I'm just going to show him the bedroom quickly, mate. It'd be a shame not to show him the bedroom if I'm here now. It's a bit dark, so forgive me. So this is a walk-in wardrobe. Look, it's huge. Walk-in, huge bedroom. Comes with built-in shower. 2 showers. Yeah. Bath. Sleep 6. Yeah. So you got pull-out bed, Sam. There's the bath.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, nice bath in it. As it already needs all kitted out nice now, Sam. That's the next job, mate.
Needs dressing, doesn't it?
Yeah. So
I tell you what, on a summer's evening, right, you push this table back, push that forward a bit, have your barbecue on the decking, get your friends round. You've got so much space here.
it's fantastic.
So much space.
We've got to put all the curtains up. We've got to get it cleaned. We've got to get the deck on, and then get you guys down to look at it.
Absolutely.
So we're at Unity Farm. Sorry, Unity Beach. We changed the name in Somerset.
Green sands.
That guy's fishing over there. Look,
Yeah,
he caught a fish earlier, marlin.
Did he really? How big was it? £600?
£600. Yeah. You have to let it go, mate. Hey, thanks for watching the video, guys.
That's the only time we, mate.
See you later.